So, how does gambling actually work? At its core, gambling is any time you risk something, usually money, on a bet or a game of chance. Once you put that money down, you can't get it back. The hope, of course, is that you'll get something more in return, like more money. And even though you might pick a team or choose your lucky numbers, the outcome is still based on chance. That's what makes gambling different from a game of skill, where practice, strategy, or knowledge can improve your chances over time. Once you understand what gambling is, the next big question becomes, what are the odds of actually winning? And the answer is, it's more complicated than it looks. Take a coin flip. There are two sides, so you've got a 50% chance of winning. But flipping a coin over and over doesn't mean you're ever owed or due for a win. This misconception is so common it has its own name, the gambler's fallacy, the mistaken belief that independent events somehow influence each other. Even if you got tails 1,000 times in a row, the odds of the next flip being tails would still be 50%. The coin still has two sides and doesn't hold a memory of the previous toss. The same idea applies to the lottery. It doesn't matter how many tickets are sold or how long it's been since someone won. The odds are based entirely on the total number of possible number combinations, and they don't change. Sports betting can be even more complex and even a little misleading. Enter the sportsbook. The sportsbook is the company or app that takes your bet, sets the odds, and pays out winnings. But here's the catch. Those odds include a built-in profit for the sportsbook, no matter who wins the game. Because of that, the odds you see don't actually reflect the true chances of winning. You're not just betting on a team, you're betting against math that's already tilted slightly against you. Going back to the coin flip example, you'd actually need to win more than 50% of the time just to break even. Then there are parlays. Parlays combine multiple bets into one. To win, every single bet has to hit. Even if one loses, the entire parlay loses. Here's an example. Imagine a parlay with 3 bets, each with a true 50% chance of winning, basically like flipping 3 coins at the same time. You multiply the odds together, 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5, that equals a 12.5% chance of winning. So that 50-50 feeling disappears pretty quickly. All of this to say, understanding how gambling works and how the odds aren't really in your favor can help you make more informed choices if you decide to gamble.